Hi, everyone. Can you believe that this week we're a quarter of the way through Mindful Leadership 5000 already? I hope that you're growing and learning. I think you are. That's what I see in the posts every week. And I'm going to give you an opportunity to take a survey anonymously. It will be a poll everywhere link that lets you just answer 5 questions very quickly about what you think, how you feel, and there's even an open space for you to add some of your own suggestions and comments. To this point, I've monitored the discussion posts. I've seen you grow in relationships. I see you trust one another with some pretty important revelations about yourselves. And I'd like to see you progress to the next stage now, to where you actively coach one another. When something isn't clear, ask for clarification. Some of you are starting to do that. This is more in the nature of inquiry. What more do we need to add in what we're saying for other people to understand us clearly? This gets us down to the root of communications, which is so key to leadership, especially where culture is concerned, crossing over into other people's cultures and them into yours. Culture is described from multiple perspectives. For our purposes in this course, we can say that it embodies the learned beliefs, values, norms, symbols, and traditions that are represented in a group of people, and possibly what makes them unique. Think of your primary culture. What systems are connected to it? What way of life is connected to it? What script does it follow? This may help you to start to separate out what you consider to be most important and most embodied in you versus the other subcultures that we're all a part of. America used to be described as a melting pot. That was the goal. Now it seems to be something much different. Often it's described as a salad bowl in which we're all in the same bowl, but the ingredients are very distinct. And that seems to fit, I think. We could probably take that a few steps further. On the positive side, we can look at multicultural perspectives and diversity as strengths that America is built on. But at the same time, we have to face the realities of ethnocentrism, where people believe that they are clearly superior to another or to others, and also prejudice, where there are unfounded beliefs about a group of people that aren't justified, but they're held very strongly. For leaders, the challenge is between finding a way to hold on to what's most important and what grounds you in your values, and at the same time being able to accept and appreciate the values of others and find a mutual pathway of understanding through. You also, in working for such balance, have to find a way to modulate how your followers operate in relation to these dynamics. If we start with the understanding that we all possess some degree of prejudice, which we do, can we also accept that awareness will help us progress in accepting and appreciating cultural difference? Can we learn and adapt and relate from a position of equality? That's a question worth asking. And this week it's answered in a way from 4 different perspectives. I look forward to seeing what you have to say about them. Take care and have a great week.